Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Quantum Systems expands US defense footprint with Huntsville engineering hub focused on operator-driven drone development. Quantum Systems Incorporated has opened a 3,200 square foot engineering and research facility in Huntsville, Alabama. The expansion gives the German drone maker a US-based design to bring technical development closer to defense customers and operational requirements. The office is located in Upland Park, next to Cummings Research Park, the second largest research park in the United States. Quantum Systems said the site will expand its US engineering capacity and strengthen engagement with customers and industry partners. The company's strategy is to shorten the path between operational feedback and engineering decisions. Staff in Huntsville will work directly with customers to integrate field requirements and speed the development of mission-relevant capabilities. Quantum Systems supplies unmanned aircraft for US and allied defense missions. Its platforms support tactical intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, and target acquisition. The company combines expertise in aerodynamics, flight controls, computer vision, and autonomy. Its development work also covers cloud infrastructure, simulation, and manufacturing engineering. Dave Sharpen, Chief Executive Officer of Quantum Systems Incorporated, said, "Huntsville sits at the center of defense and aerospace innovation." He added, "Establishing a presence here allows us to work more closely with our customers, expand our engineering bench, and accelerate the development of next-generation unmanned systems." Sharpen also said, "We're also excited to become part of the Huntsville community, collaborating with local partners and contributing to the continued growth of one of the nation's leading defense technology hubs." Huntsville's aerospace and defense sector includes Army program offices, major contractors, and emerging military technology companies. Their Huntsville office is now operational and will support further engineering recruitment and customer collaboration. It will also serve as a development base for the company's next generation of unmanned intelligence capabilities. Please subscribe, like, share, and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.